Hello again from Rhodos. I am at Acti Canary Beach at the very end or the very beginning, close to the monastery or church and cave. Well, actually, the church is located inside a cave right over there that I visited earlier. It's very interesting. And this is a bit more scenic part of the beach. As earlier I have shown you the beach adventure, it was over there. Um, and this is at the very end of the Rhodos city, and in that direction is Yalisos, another uh, beach town here in Rhodos, on the way to the airport. So the airport is around 14 kilometers from here, and Yalisos is 7 kilometers along the coast. And obviously there are both um hotels and apartments along the way. So I have been swimming inside earlier, and I have found out that there is sand inside here. And there is basically nobody here, very few people on this part of the beach. But it's also out of season. It is only 5th of May 2025. Currently it is 2:40 p.m. and this is how the water looks like and this beach over here. So yeah, I'm exploring and I am going in for a swim in the sea right here. So then I guess let's go and enjoy a nice swim in the sea. And yeah, my first time in Rhodos and second day of my vacation. I'm staying here for 8 days until 11th of May, which is this Sunday, and today is Monday. Today at the hotel I had a very nice breakfast. It was quite huge, which means I can skip lunch and have gyros maybe for dinner. I also had gyros yesterday, my favorite Greek dish, that is. So yeah, let's go in and check if there is also sandy part even here as well. As I'm showing you the coast, here the beach coast of Rhodos, or Rhodes as it is in Greek. Already stepped on some sand, but I think there is a bit more further down. Here there is a giant rock first. Then I'm gonna take a swim and check it out. So let's go! Woo! Very nice. Yes, it's sand. I knew it. It's perfect. It's perfect and amazing indeed. Brilliant. Ah, beautiful. Look at that. Paralia Acti Canari, this is. And beautiful beach indeed. So sandy over here for sure, and Turkey on the other side. So the coast of Turkey is so nearby, and it's so nice. So yeah, another beach adventure from Rhodos and from this beautiful island of Greece. So let's then enjoy. I'm gonna be swimming here a bit more today and maybe check out the other coast later on the other side that's facing east. and maybe some of the ancient ruins as well. Yesterday I saw where the location of the famous Colossus of Rhodes is. Obviously it's not there anymore, but the part where the the part where it was there is now like a port, and you can see some of you can imagine how it used to look like, one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. So greetings Rhodos, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!